Kettle Moraine State Forest is a 56,000 acre state forest in southeastern Wisconsin. The area comprises a diverse terrain featuring many glacial landforms. The forest is divided into 2 large and 3 small units. Oh shit. Bad omen to start this thing off though. I wanted to get some footage with my drone and crashed into a tree. I started my trip at the southernmost portion of the northern unit of the Kettle Moraine State Forest. I would be hiking northbound along the Ice Age Trail. They say it's potable, but that it's a tinge on the yellowish side. Wouldn't you say? There it is. Built a I don't know, firewood storage shelter thing. Okay. A little weird. Tent. My hair is out of control. Sweet. On today's episode of Fireside Chats with Maddie Wolin, we're going to talk about how not to fly drones into trees. Drone was flying, got stuck in a tree branch, and at first I had the controller and it was kind of responsive, so I was hoping I could maybe like wiggle it out of the tree branch, but no luck. I was hoping maybe I could just like shake the branch, but I couldn't reach the branch that the actual drone was sitting in, so that left the only option to grab a stick and throw it all the way up into the tree and try to knock the drone down. Mind you, I was in the parking lot of the trailhead, so I launched tree branch up. First shot almost hit a car. Was about 2 feet away from smashing down on somebody's windshield, and so very next shot, throw it up, boom. I hit the tree and my drone starts wiggling a little bit. I completely missed. So the drone lands and it seems okay at first. So I'm like, all right, maybe I got lucky. And then I go to fold the legs and I realized that one of the legs, kind of the plastic around it, cracked. And there was no way I was gonna be able to fly it. Welcome to another session of Campfire Lessons with Maddie. Here we are. And another lesson for today, another tragedy really. So I was, before I left, I realized that the gloves that I owned aren't quite warm enough. So on my way, my drive up to Wisconsin, I go into Nordstrom Rack, and sure enough, there are these badass gloves sitting on the shelf. And they're actually pretty cool. You can see, glove, butt weight. This little thing folds under here and wraps over your fingers, and now they're mittens. And there's kind of like this windbreaker material, so you've got these glove mittens, kind of cool, and I got a great deal on them, so that's great. So setting up the fire, and I'm putting branches on, and boom, melted the glove. Melted holes in the glove. So
Finally got out. Got up. Got out of bed, packed my bag. Made it out back on the trail here. And time for some sunrise hiking.
After spending the night in Shelter 1, the southernmost shelter in the state forest, I continued my hike northbound. The Ice Age Trail runs for the entire length of the park, about 30 miles from north to south. My hike included a 10-mile northbound hike before turning around and totaling 20 miles for the day. Got some coffee on. Enjoying an amazing view before I say goodbye to Kettle Moraine State Forest. I guess the life lesson is after losing the drone, I guess there's some lesson there. I don't know. Make the most of it, or don't let things bring you down or something. I don't know.
Woo! Back in business, baby.